All right, today we are going to change the belt on a Bobcat T140. Here's your machine right here. And I got the door open. Basically the door, there'll be a latch here. You pull it, open the door. You want to come over here and your belt, we're gonna change is on this side. It's squealing a little bit, but we got some things in the way. We got this big bracket here that prevents us from getting in there. Now, I already loosened these bolts up, but for the sake of the video, I just set them back in there so I can show you. You want to take this bolt out, there's gonna be another one down here, take that bolt out. All right, that will drop this down and allow this whole bracket to be free. You're not gonna be able to pull this bracket out unless you take this nut off of here and drop this down. Then you'll be able to slide that whole bracket out of there and you'll be able to get your hands in there to the belt. All right, so I'm gonna set the camera down and just go ahead and finish taking these bolts out and pull that bracket out of there. Remember, you're gonna have to take this off, this nut here, so that you can slide this bar over this this bar here. All right, be right back. Now you can see this is able to drop down. Drop my light here. All right, and we got that bracket out of the way. We took that nut off of here. Now you're able to get in there to your belt. Now the way to get this off, if you look, there's your alternator there. Up top, you got a 10mm bolt. This allows the alternator to pivot. You have to loosen up that 10mm. You won't be able to pivot it until you come down at the bottom of the alternator. Right there, you got a 9/16. Once you loosen that, and you loosen the top, you'll be able to pivot that alternator and you'll be able to work your belt. Let's see. Right there. And voila, the belt's out. And that's it. Put it back in, just play the video in reverse. Pretty simple job, not too hard. All right, see you next time.